Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you two methods of locating serial number on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So the first one would be on your device, and you can do it by swiping from the above so you can get to the settings. Now press on this gong right here, go to the right and find more. Click on it, go to device info and scroll right until you find the serial number right here. And now to confirm that it's the same camera I got from the box, we can check the box. So we take out the box and here we have the serial number SN, and it's the same number on the device and the box. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.